Welcome back to the Grand Motorhome. Today, we're diving into one of the most insane and futuristic adventure vehicles ever imagined, the all-new 2027 Toyota Thunderstorm Motorhome. This is not just another luxury RV. This is a full-scale off-road beast designed to dominate mountains, deserts, forests, and highways while delivering the comfort of a 5-star luxury suite on wheels. Toyota has taken the idea of overlanding and pushed it to an entirely new level with a machine that feels ready for the future. The first thing you notice about the 2027 Toyota Thunderstorm Motorhome is its aggressive exterior design. This thing looks absolutely unstoppable. The massive body sits high above the ground with a heavy-duty lifted suspension system that instantly gives it an intimidating road presence. At the front, Toyota's futuristic grille design is paired with ultra-thin LED matrix headlights that stretch across the body, giving the Thunderstorm a modern and almost military-inspired appearance. Every angle of this motorhome feels purposeful. The sharp body lines improve aerodynamics while maintaining that rugged off-road identity. Huge all-terrain tires wrapped around oversized alloy wheels make it clear this RV was built to leave the pavement behind. Reinforced skid plates, roof-mounted LED light bars, heavy-duty bumpers, and side protection panels give it the capability to survive extreme environments without compromising style. The roof is packed with advanced equipment including integrated solar panels, expandable cargo systems, satellite communication modules, and a full rooftop observation deck that transforms into an outdoor lounge area. This is the kind of vehicle built for people who want to explore places where ordinary motorhomes could never survive. As the side doors open, the interior completely changes the atmosphere. Instead of rugged and aggressive, the cabin feels calm, luxurious, and incredibly modern. Toyota has designed the Thunderstorm to feel like a premium penthouse apartment hidden inside an expedition vehicle. Soft ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, reflecting beautifully against brushed aluminum surfaces, carbon fiber details, and premium leather upholstery. The floor uses high-end wood finishes, while sound insulation creates an incredibly quiet environment even while driving through rough terrain. At the front, the cockpit looks like something from a futuristic aircraft. A massive curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining navigation, off-road systems, camera feeds, climate controls, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics into one seamless interface. Everything feels intelligent and perfectly organized. The driver and passenger seats are fully adjustable executive chairs with heating, cooling, massage functions, and memory settings. Toyota has clearly focused on long-distance comfort because this motorhome is designed for serious adventures. Moving into the main living space, the Thunderstorm becomes even more impressive. The lounge area features large reclining sofas surrounding a smart adjustable table that can transform into a dining setup, workstation, or entertainment center. Panoramic windows cover both sides of the cabin, creating incredible views of the surrounding landscape wherever you travel. The kitchen area looks like it belongs inside a luxury apartment. It features a hidden induction cooking system, smart refrigerator, compact oven, coffee station, wine storage, and touch-sensitive cabinets that open automatically. Every detail is designed to maximize space while maintaining a premium feel. Toward the rear, the master sleeping area introduces a completely different level of comfort. A king-size bed sits beneath adjustable ambient ceiling lighting that simulates natural sunrise and sunset tones. Large side windows and panoramic roof glass create an immersive connection with nature while still maintaining privacy through smart tinting technology. The bathroom is equally luxurious. Toyota includes a rainfall shower system, illuminated mirrors, heated flooring, premium fixtures, and advanced water recycling systems that support long off-grid adventures. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Thunderstorm truly separates itself from traditional motorhomes. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to introduce a hybrid twin-turbo powertrain delivering massive torque and exceptional off-road capability. Power is sent through an intelligent all-wheel drive system with advanced terrain management modes designed for snow, sand, mud, rock crawling, and steep mountain climbs. Adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height depending on terrain conditions, while advanced stability systems keep the vehicle balanced even during extreme driving situations. Despite its size, the Thunderstorm feels incredibly capable and surprisingly smooth on the road. One of the most impressive parts of this motorhome is its off-grid capability. Massive battery storage systems, solar charging technology, intelligent power management, and integrated water purification systems allow travelers to remain completely independent for extended periods of time. This is more than luxury travel. This is freedom without limits. Technology also plays a huge role throughout the experience. The Thunderstorm includes full smart home integration, AI-assisted driving systems, voice-controlled features, satellite internet connectivity, 360-degree camera systems, thermal night vision, and autonomous parking capabilities. As for pricing, the 2027 Toyota Thunderstorm Motorhome is expected to start around $850,000, depending on customization and optional packages. Fully equipped versions could easily exceed the $1 million mark, placing it among the most advanced and luxurious off-road motorhomes ever created. But honestly, this vehicle isn't just about price. It's about creating the ultimate adventure machine, something capable of taking you anywhere in complete luxury and confidence. The 2027 Toyota Thunderstorm Motorhome represents the future of exploration. It combines rugged engineering, futuristic technology, off-road dominance, and luxury living into one unforgettable machine. Thanks for being part of the Grand Motorhomes family. Hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insane luxury motorhome reviews. See you in the next video.